that I wish for. We gotta love each other and here together. It's a perfect summer when we dance together. With one voice we're singing as one under the purple sky. It's a perfect summer. I'll treasure this day forever. Holding hands together as one under the purple sky. Under the purple sky.
Let's make way for Jong Hilario!
Summer day, it's the vibe that we chase. Feel the sun, golden rays shining bright on the face. To the beach, here we go. Feel the sand on our toes. With our hearts, feel the glow.
Summertime, here we go. It's a perfect summer. It's a perfect summer. 1, 2, 3, and it's a perfect summer when we dance together. With one voice, we're singing as one under the purple sky. It's a perfect summer. I'll treasure this day forever. Holding hands together as one under the purple sky. Under the purple sky. It's a perfect summer when we dance together. With one voice we're singing as one under the purple sky. It's a perfect summer. I'll treasure this day forever. Holding hands together as one under the purple sky. Under the purple sky.
Make some noise for the dynamic trio, Chriselle, Jong, and Serena Hilario. Maraming salamat, Chriselle. Grabe. Daddy Jong Hilario and Serena. Talagang perfect summer in July naman talaga dahil umuulan ng kakyutan. Palakpakan niyo naman sila, Serena and si Daddy Jong. Mga madlang people, Purple Hearts, make some noise! Serena, batiin mo. Sanay na sanay talaga si Serena. Serena, bago ang lahat, kinakabahan. Do you even get nervous? Were you nervous a while ago before you go up the stage? A little. You do not look like you're nervous at all. You were even more brave than anybody, that all the adults here tonight, right? Palakpakan naman natin, nakakatuwa talaga. Kinagigiliwan ng madlang people ang father and daughter tandem sa social media and talagang masayang-masaya kami. Daddy Jong, na nandito kayo para makiselebrate at talagang pinaglaanan nyo ng panahon ang celebration ng birthday ni Chriselle. Pero mas nais namin kayo makilala pa. Siguro mas maganda kung dito lang tayo sa baba para mas malapit tayo sa ating mga Purple Hearts! Ayan. So Serena and Daddy Jong, what's your birthday message para kay Chriselle? What's your message for Ate Chriselle?
Happy birthday, Ate Chriselle. I love you.
Aww, so sweet naman. How about you, Daddy Jong?
Yes, to Chriselle, happy birthday. Wish you all the best and good health, of course. And gusto namin mag-thank you ni Serena, of course, kay Sir Chris and kay Ma'am Lizelle and family. Salamat kasi kapag may mga events si Sarina, laging nandyan ang Purple Hearts. Kaya maraming salamat Purple Hearts family. And thank you for having us here.
Okay. And ngayon naman, dahil